crap that's working.
That's why I want iPhone 6 Plus.
The TV says he really loves that.
Good morning, guys. Hold on.
He really loves that.
Huh?
I know a couple guys who get the HTV and the LGs.
LGs.
The new ones. And they really love them. But they also liked the Samsung 5 that they had.
Of course, Samsung S5 is good too.
They got rid of the 5 for that.
I want iPhone.
But they said that you can do. They don't like the iPhones because they don't like being restricted. They like to be able to do. Like there's an app. It's called Showbox.
Showbox.
And
I heard of that though.
You can't get it in the Google Play Store. You can't get it in the App Store. You can put it on here, but you have to look it up Showbox, and you can watch all like new movies and stuff right on your phone.
Is that illegal?
Apparently not.
What?
And they watch all these friggin' new movies in high definition on their friggin' phones. Of course, their phones are like this fucking big.
Oh yeah. LG is big. Samsung is big. So now iPhone is making a big one too.
That's all I'm gonna do. But things like that.
No, some people do that when you're,
Showbox. Well, it looks like a good app though. It's got all like the new movies, new TV shows, all that crap in it.
It's cold morning, guys.
It's not.
It's very cold.
It's not.
I can't wait for winter.
It's not.
I'm gonna be like double up with my jackets.
Boogies.
I'm gonna 2 jackets.
Boogies.
I'm gonna wear 2 jackets.
Boogies.
What boogies?
Well, it's not. It's not. It's not.
It's
What's
not.
It's not. It's a
I
boogie.
don't know.
It's not.
Okay. Oh, anyway, we're heading to my husband's appointment. It's very early though. I don't know why they always put you in 9:45, but they don't open until 10. Are you kidding me? And then you're rushing like crazy, and then we get there waiting.
Oh, they get there before that. That time there was something screwy, but supposedly they get there.
Yeah, guys.
I don't know. I never got an email about it either. For all I know, I got it wrong in my calendar. The last time I didn't get an email, I had it right in my calendar, and the system was screwed up. So, but I'm not sure. Oh my God! I gotta go out to Long Island today.
After.
I'm already late with that crap.
Yeah, after.
What are all these cars parked over here for?
Huh? I
What are all
don't
these
know.
cars parked here?
Yeah, there's a lot of cars
What
parked.
the hell's that all about?
That's not a
Why the
parking
cops letting
space.
them do it?
Yeah. Holy freaking moly.
Oh shit!
Oh, there's something in there, like a memorial something in the neighborhood. But that's not part of the neighborhood. That's a highway thing.
Don't know. Apparently the cops will let them do it, but I don't think nobody giving them tickets and towing them away.
Holy camole, guys. It's a wrong day. It's a wrong day. It's a wrong day. It's not today, it's Thursday. My husband is freaking wrong all the freaking time. He is wrong again. He thought it's today is his appointment, but no. It's next Thursday.
Too much
No,
time
not
with
next.
doctors.
Not this next Thursday. This Thursday. Thursday.
I guess we'll use the time to get cats their
grass.
their grass, and the dog is
Okay.
begging crap.
Oh, it's nice to go to.
To where?
We're close in CVS there, right?
Yeah.
The one that I'm looking, remember that?
Oh,
that I
yeah,
can't find.
foundation stuff, the,
No, the
stuff, whatever
primer
it's called.
painting thing.
I know what you're talking about. I just don't know what it's called.
I need a primer. It's not I need, I want to try the primer because it's really good for your, if you put it in your eyelid, it's eyelid primer. You know? I'm into it.
See if it's on there.
God, guys. My husband think he's telling me that probably is the appointment is not today, but he does. I don't
My
remember.
wife pays zero attention, which is why she didn't hear the whole conversation.
He doesn't mention it anything like that.
Yeah.
All he does is talking is, we're talking something else, but
Right.
it's
What
not
were we
that.
talking about?
About the cake. That
No.
eat
That was
cake.
about 2 minutes on. What were we talking about before that?
We're talking about something else. That there's a
Like
parking
what?
in there. There were people parked there.
You talking about what we pointed out on the road. What were we talking about? always pointing out.
Ay, hon.
I was like talking to a stone.
No, hon.
A stone.
You think you're mentioning it to me, but you never did.
A stone. I can pick up a pebble on the beach, talk to it, get the same response.
Look at that dog. Cutie pie.
That's it. See, now she's paying attention to the dog and not hearing nothing again.
No.
A stone.
Hon, I'm not a freaking... Hon, is it nice, guys, that your husband called you or you were stone? Look at that dog. It's so cute.
Yeah, guys, you see that, how her attention span, how it drifts off like that? Hey.
Whatever.
Had a whole conversation about it. We did, and every time there's a way I can prove it to you, then you put that smile on your face like, well, I'm not from this country, I don't speak English, you can't hold me,
Yeah. English is my second language, so
right.
it's not even perfect.
So I can't pay attention because I don't speak English.
Yeah.
Hey, give me a break.
Oh, here they look, their nose is out. Look at that. Look at that's what's the name of this one?
Ferrets.
Ferrets? Ferret? Ferret? Ferret?
Ferret.
Ferret. I don't know, guys. My husband is very Islam. Look, look, look. They try to look at it. Hello, come here. Look. It looks so cute. Oh, look, look. Look at, guys. You want to see me? They're so cute. Look, look, look. Look at this little one here, just lying down. Are you sick? Look. Oh my god, how cute they are. I don't know, guys, how much is this. Let me check if there is a price. Ferret. Oh, that's the name of it. Look, guys. And it's 100 bucks. Oh, that's the thing. This, you know how much is this, guys? It's $150. It's crazy shit. It's expensive. My husband is looking for treats. Han, we just have treats for them.
I know, but this one maybe helps them.
Huh? Look at this crunchy.
Let me try it.
This is not crunchy.
Yes.
This
the other one, the blue one.
this cat, guys. Look, you think he is unhappy, but he is. That's his face. It's not really happy. It's they call this cat is in the news. They called it grumpy cats. And that's very big, but that's his face. It's not mad, it's not angry, it's just his face. This is cute. Looks like our first cat, Boo Boo. It's not my, it's my first cat, but not my husband's first cat. Look at it looks like my cats. That's a mystery motion. We have that toy before, but they broke it for just one day, right? This toy here.
Yeah.
Mom buy it for like $4.50. I think it's 40 bucks. 20 bucks. No, it's 40. Just what I said. It's 35, but you get it in CVS. Look at that demon cat. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that, guys. And look at this cat. No, we don't need any more toy. They don't play.
They do play all the time.
My husband wants to try this green free pure taste. Oh God, focus.
We do.
Talk to them.
I know you want somebody to come take you home.
Look, it's so cute and
Because
so
you'll be
cute.
fighting with the cats, and that's not really good.
Look, you want you to hold them. You can hold them, man.
Yeah.
The stainless steamer just cold, guys, so they're gonna be here shortly. My husband moved everything. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see if they can clean it properly, because after this my husband still need to go to Long Island. Okay, I'll open the door for you. My husband putting a table outside. Why you carry two? That's really hard for you now. Ay, ay, ay. So, putting us in the porch. So, let's see. I'll show you the floor now. It's dark brown, and I'll show you later after. Hi guys. It's very dark right here because, you know, the people now is here, the stainless steamer. So while they're doing something, I bring my laptop up and I'm gonna continue my edit. I edit some of the video from yesterday. Hi guys, the stainless steamer leave already. So I'm just finished editing my stuff, and yeah. The kids going crazy. We turn the fan on just to... Hey, no. Go crazy, Hobbs. Go crazy. Oh my god. This cat is going craziness. Hi guys. I'm just busy today. It's very dark already outside. So after dinner, I just make some sausage for my husband to bring for tomorrow.